Hey, hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 19 September 2021. Here this is the problem they have given: integer, divide and add reminders. First time if I wa at the time I was looking at this problem, I was like, என்னடா சொல்றீங்க, எதுக்குடா இது, எதடா பண்ணீங்க அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. Then finally I have figured out they have passed an integer and n space separated elements, and they also passed the value k. So we just need to divide this k plus 1 elements with the elements in the range of k. For example, we just need to divide 61 by, in this case the k value is 2, right? So this is the barrier. So we just need to divide all these elements by these elements, and we just need to add the remainder to the respective elements. So first we just need to divide 61 by 10, so it will give you the value 1, right? So 61 plus 1 will give you 62, and 78 plus 8 will give you 86. 90 plus 0 will give you 90. After that we just need to divide this 62 by the value 24. So if we have do that, we will get 64 divided by 22 is, 62 divided by 24 is 2. So we just need to add that. Wait a minute, what I have done.
A few moments later.
Yeah, we just need to do the modulo operation. So 62 divided by 24 will give you the remainder of 14, I guess. So if we add that, we will get 76, and here we will get 24, I guess. No, not 24. 14, I guess. Yeah, 14. So if we have add that, we will get 100, and we will add 18 to that, so it will be 108. Likewise, we just need to do the same for everything. So if we have done that, we can do that in programmatical way. So n equal to int of input for input, integer input, and here this is the list equal to list of map of in comma input. We just need to split all those values and typecast into integer, and we just need to store the values into list, right? So I'm doing the same. K equal to int of input. So it's now the time to make the process. For that we just need to iterate for I in range of k. We just need to iterate up to the given index, right? So 10, 24, and we need one more loop, which is nothing but an inner loop for j in range of k to n. In this time we just need to update the list of j plus equal to list of j modulo list of I. Finally we just need to print the list. To get rid of square bracket and commas, I just need to print all those values inside the list with the help of star. So first 5 inputs. For the sake of simplicity, I'm using 10, 20 as my starting values, and then we got 3, 4, 5, and my k value is 2. So now we got 12, 16 and 20. So 3 mod 10 will give you 6, and 6 mod 20 will give you 6, right? 6 plus 6, it's 20, and 4 plus 4 will give you 8, 8 plus 8 will give you 16, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 10 20. So that's it, how we are getting the value. Seems like it working, right? So it's time to say see you guys, see you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.